Hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home Cranbrook, and I am bringing you the chef-made professional series of the 6 non-stick Madeleine pan for the Madeleine. I have them several times in different restaurants, and I've always wanted to make them, and I just never really, I mean I can make them, but I wanted to make them with pan. And so I ordered this pan. I got this pan to review. I was really quite shocked, and you don't see these very often. And you do see them in very high-end stores. But let's read the showing. How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. This is a professional chef-made WK9113 6-cup non-stick Madeleine pan. And it is chef-made certified, super non-stick. It is durable and long-lasting and easy to release and clean. And it is always BPA free. So this is what I got, and I'm going to mix. I told you I'm going to mix some Madeleines. Okay, I have had them before. Now I've never made them, so that's a first for me. I am not the baker of the family, but I do bake cookies and things like that. So I'm trying to make things what happens. I think I'll make this a project for me and the girls. But if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up, and I will leave everything in the comment section. I love you. Take care on this hot day. Stay dehydrated. Stay hydrated, never. Stay hydrated, not dehydrated. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.